Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. This is issue 113 of Building the Ecto-1. This is a sort of repeat of another previous episode where we're getting this wing fitted and all assembled. So we'll get straight to it, basically. Much the same as last time, I'm going to do things in a slightly different order to how they say to do it. I'm going to get the bulb fitted into here first before doing anything else with it, because it's much easier to do that without this being attached to anything else. So get that bent over, get that lined up in there, then push it really, really hard. Hopefully it will go together again like the other three have. Oops, I can't get that lined up. Right, I shall again do that behind the scenes. Then that's attached to there, and that's put in the end of it. Nice and easy with that. That bit, for some reason, we're not fitting this time. I don't know exactly why, but there we go. Then those two go together. We've got this bit to put together. Not entirely certain what it is, but that needs to go together like that, and then that goes into there like that, and we've got a screw that will hold that together. Yeah, I don't know. Obviously, this wasn't on the other side. Some sort of plug, vent, socket, something. Not entirely certain. But that will go on there. That's not screwing in there. Screwing in there, unless I've not got that all the way in. Not going in there. Maybe I've got the wrong screw out of there. There was an XP or an XM, but I think that's the XP that I've got. I should double check that as well, and then see about getting that together. Then again, we've got to attach it onto there. There's 2 more holes for those. Another similar sort of thing to that, I would expect. So let me get the bulb in and then see about the rest of it. Right, that's all of that put together, although this is still not down fully on that end, but I'm thinking that will when I put it, attach it properly. We need to, what do I need to do? Don't do anything with that. I've got to fit the 2 bracket things onto that with these. Get them done now. That screwdriver. Yeah, so these go onto there. That. Right, this will be why the other hub thing, the rim, is not being fitted because of these bits. Obviously, got to fit those on later. So that goes there. That one goes on here. Right place. Turn it around the right way. And tighten it down. Wire guides there. Then we've got this bit needs to attach to the inside of here. There again, like that. That's these 2 screws that I've prepared. There, like that. And then the other 3 screws I've got out there will be what holds this bit to that big white bit. In there. That's not going in there particularly well. Might be that I've got the wrong screws out for those. Anyway, I'll get that sorted, and then this is going to go onto the top there, just like the bit on the other side. So I'll get that attached, and then we'll see about attaching this to the whole framework again. So there we have it again, all assembled, all the screws in. I stuck that down to make sure that stays about where it should be. That is as good as that gets. So now, once again, I need to attach it to the frame. So I'll do that and then show you how it looks, but it will look just the same as the first side, but the other side. All right, there we go. That's that side all attached, all sitting in there nicely. That does line up quite well. This bit is not quite as flush as the other side with the door. The door obviously still works and opens and everything, but I'm not sure if that's the door closing too far or this panel not lining up quite right, but it's pretty close. So I'm happy with how that's all come together now. It's very, very heavy. Yeah, so next time I think we're dealing with the final bits on the back door here. But I'm looking forward to that. So join me for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.